At Bohl Equipment and Crane Company, we sell cranes, forklifts, and just about any lifting device that can move product. We also service over 500 customers in the Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio region. Our 16 service techs go on site for repairs, and anything that can't be fixed there is brought back to our shop. We use Reelcraft hose reels to power air tools and to keep our facility and merchandise clean. We also use Reelcraft cord reels to charge batteries or for any other handheld power tools we might use on our lifts. Since the reels are mounted and retractable, the hoses and cords stay off the ground. This has eliminated any hose or cord safety hazards, and it extends the life of the reels. With a clean and safe work environment, there's really not much more we could ask for. By keeping an organized shop, we can turn around repairs in just 2 or 3 days, whereas before it was taking us 1 or 2 weeks. We're so much more efficient and poised for growth, and Reelcraft has been part of that. My name is Jared McMahon. I'm the parts associate at Bohl Equipment and Crane Company, and I'm here to tell you that Reelcraft reels are ready when you are.